What's up, this is Klosky Boy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Alley Cat 1.0 and 2.0, like I did with Klosky Suppo. So yeah, Alley Cat 1.0, the first thing you're going to do is click HSL Adjust, make the hue 0.415, that's the hue. Keep the saturation luminance as it was. Don't change anything about it because I made the effect like that. And yeah, if you want to save the preset, click this button right here so it could save it for you, so you won't forget and have to come back to this video. And yeah, channel blend, click that, and click this button right here, because it'll load the presets if you made them or the ones that Sony Vegas gave you, and go to RGBA to BGRA. And yeah, now let's move on to color corrector. I'm gonna let you pause because I don't want to explain this much right now, so yeah. And vocode to the audio to this. And if you want to use like a vocoder, like you can, it's supposed to be vocoded. I don't know why I said you can, it's supposed to be. Use anything you want. Audacity, FL Studio, I use FL Studio, use whatever you want for the vocoder. And also use that for this. The links will be in the description because I want you guys to make those into like MP3s and vocode your video to the audio. So yeah, link will be in the description. Speaking of Alley Cat 2.0, let's learn how to make it. So channel blend, remember I told you click this button for RGB to BGRA, and yeah, and go to HSL adjust, go to 0.300 for the hue, and keep saturation and luminance as it was, and remember, save the preset here. I know it's also embarrassed hue, so if you want to call embarrassed hue, you can, for the preset. And color corrector, I'm going to let you pause again because basically the video is like now over, and I want you guys to you know, pause the video because I don't want to explain it. And yeah, alright, this is the end of the video. Hopefully I helped you a little bit, and yeah, if you want to see more of me, go to G Major Videos, link in the description, and my main account, link in the description too, and my channel links for G Major Videos and Letters 2 through 15 are in fact on my channel, so you can go there too if you like. But for the quick way, just click the link in the descriptions for the channel, and yeah.